Hey, want to know what's coming to Netflix this month? Well, there's a new documentary that just dropped, and it's all about tsunami. It's called Tsunami, and it's all about this one specific deadly tsunami. On December of 2004, a massive earthquake struck off the coast of Sumatra, Indonesia. It was 9.1 magnitude, and it generated a series of tsunami waves that actually hit 14 countries across the Indian Ocean. More than 230,000 people were killed. A tsunami is a series of ocean waves caused by a large and sudden displacement of the ocean water. It's like when you drop a pebble into water and then the ripples spread outward from where the pebble hit the surface. It covers the lead up to the event, the science behind tsunamis and how people try to predict these events, and also the aftermath of the 2004 tsunami and how communities had to rebuild. Only unlike that small-scale action, which creates small-scale ripples, a tsunami is created by a massive disturbance that can be hundreds of miles wide. So if you want to keep watching, we have some other great videos right here on the channel for you to check out. There's another documentary on Netflix called Into the Deepest Trenches. It covers a lot of the same material that's in the Netflix documentary, but it goes into a little bit more detail. It's not specifically about tsunamis, but a big part of the documentary is dedicated to the science behind deadly waves. The first wave wasn't even the biggest. There were multiple waves that hit over a period of hours. And they weren't just in Indonesia. It's actually footage from a drone during a training exercise. But it really gives you a bird's eye view of how devastating a tsunami can be. They hit Thailand, Sri Lanka, India, Malaysia, the United States, the Philippines, Malaysia, Singapore, Somalia, Kenya, and Tanzania. I thought it was well done, but I'm curious what your thoughts were. Also, if there is another natural disaster or weather phenomena that you'd like us to cover on the channel, let us know that in the comments as well. It was truly a global disaster. It's considered the deadliest tsunami in recorded history. When an earthquake occurs beneath the ocean, the energy from the shifting tectonic plates can cause the water above them to literally rise up. That displaced water, combined with the power of the current, pushes away from the epicenter of the earthquake in all directions. And as it spreads outward, it forms a wave train that can travel thousands of miles across the ocean at speeds of up to 500 miles per hour. To put that into perspective, that's faster than most commercial airplanes can fly. And before we check out this documentary on Netflix, I thought we'd watch a quick video from National Geographic about the science behind tsunamis because they read pretty fascinating. As they approach the shore, the wave's height can increase from a few feet to over 100 feet. That wall of water crashes into the shore, causing massive flooding and destruction. There are many things that can cause a tsunami, but earthquakes are one of the most common causes. Once the wave train hits land, the waves slowed down and began to rise. So in the case of the 2004 event, that mega earthquake off the coast of Indonesia triggered a series of devastating tsunami waves. Now, if you want to learn more about this specific event, you should definitely check out the Netflix documentary. But there's a lot more to learn about tsunamis. And if you want to see what it looks like when a tsunami hits the shore, we have this video from the Coast Guard. Finally, there's so much more to learn about the 2004 tsunami specifically, and for that, I recommend checking out this video from Vox. Speaking of the Netflix documentary, let us know in the comments what you thought of it.